Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a group email in Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's take a look at how to make a group email in Gmail. To do this, we're going to make a contact label and then apply any contacts you want to that label. We'll start by getting to our contacts over on the right-hand side, where you'll see the little people icon. That's your contacts. Click on that, and it's a little easier to open this up in a new window. So we're going to click the Open in New Tab option. If you don't see any of that, you can just go to contacts.google.com directly, and that'll take you to the same place. You can add contacts in here from any email. It doesn't have to be just Gmail. Once you have those contacts added, you can apply a label, which will serve as your group email. Think of this label as your group name. In the lower left, we have labels. These are contact labels, different from your mail labels back in Gmail. Click Create Label, and for example, you might name it My Group. Save that label. The easiest way, in my opinion, is to hover over the contacts you want to add to that label and click on the checkboxes. You can select multiple contacts here. In the upper right, you'll see a couple of blue icons. Click on the one that says Manage Labels. Apply the label to any of the selected contacts by clicking on My Group and then clicking Apply. That label will now be assigned to those contacts. You'll be able to see My Group applied to them, and you can always edit this later. In fact, down in the lower left, if you click on My Group, you'll see a list of only the contacts who are part of that group, not all your contacts. Now, if we go back to Gmail and compose a new email by clicking the Compose button, here, in the To field, you don't need to type in all the individual emails. Just start typing the name of the group, in this case, My Group, and it will show up. Click on it, and Gmail will insert all the email addresses of everyone in that group into the message. Of course, you can have a thread of group messages where the conversation goes back and forth, but if you need to send new emails or updates to this group regularly, this method is the easiest way to do it without having to copy all the different addresses each time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make a group email in Gmail. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.